I am gonna have to tell you guys, you have no idea what has been going on. So I auditioned for a Netflix show. I didn't make it, but I think this was in 2021 maybe. I got denied. I think it was the third round maybe. So anyway, you guys know that I'm a very free spirit, but when I was in this last interview and they were questioning me, I felt nervous and I felt like, of course these people try to dig dirt out of you and see how you feel and what you've experienced. But if I said no, I've never felt that way, they would be like, well, are you sure? So I felt a little uncomfortable. I was like, honestly, no, I've never felt that way, but if that's what you want me to say, I guess I should say that, and I should never, ever, ever do that in my life. Plus, they asked me for social media videos, and I did send them my YouTube channel and my videos, so maybe my belly and armpit videos put them off. It doesn't exactly appeal to the masses, so I don't know. But that's why I've been like hardly posting on this channel. I say that I want to be a songwriter, a hit songwriter. I want to be this, I want to be that, but then my YouTube videos put people off and it makes people not take me seriously. Although I love my videos, I have to think about the person I'm striving to be. I know that's sad. It's so sad. I honestly just don't think that I was fit for the position. I did pray and I was like, God, I want this so bad, but if it's not for me, please don't let it be. Only give it to me if it's what you want for me. And I didn't get it. And of course I was sad. I was like, oh, I really wanted to go on that show. But there'll be something else for me in my future. My passions in life are songwriting and speaking and entertaining. That's what I truly enjoy doing. And I say I want to quit my job, but how can I quit my job doing music whenever I'm not going as hard as I say I should go? I love my job. Working at the post office is amazing. Of course, it has its ups and downs. Of course, it can be a negative environment, but all in all, it's a great career path. But I'm a creative person. I love to create. I love all the things in life that revolve around creation. Even though I don't paint, I love looking at paintings. I love music. I love to write music. I love making beats. I love listening to others' musical compositions. I love videos. I love YouTube. I created a second channel so that I could help motivate myself and inspire myself and as well as other people. Like, I believe in this channel so much because it actually helps me in my daily life. So that's one thing that I'm trying to do. That's one thing I'm doing. I'm so divided right now because I love what I love and I enjoy the content that I create. It actually makes me happy. I'm not making it to please anyone, but the people who already love and adore the same content that I create, that I also love and adore. But I also want people to take me seriously as a songwriter. I want them to take me seriously as a person who likes to uplift people and motivate people. And it's so sad because people will look at your life and be like, how can you inspire others when you yourself are this and that? And it's like, to me, it's not even about that. It's like you take what you will from any given situation and apply it to your life. Just because someone tells you something that's uplifting, it could be a sentence or a paragraph, doesn't mean you have to look at their whole life and expect that their life is how we should live. Just take that bit of information. Take what you will, take what you want, apply it to your life, and move on. So for that reason, it's like, I don't have to give up my belly videos. But yes, it did discourage me for a while. I think that I need to make higher quality content if I can. I can try. I know I have it in me. Make it entertaining, but also continue to be myself and not try to please anyone, but just make the stuff that I like. I'm all over the place. That's why I had to create another channel, because I was like, how can I add motivation and inspirational videos to my Porshia Vonne channel? And then they scroll down and they're like, look at this woman jiggling her fat belly. I enjoy it. But it may not be the best decision to put those two things together. But I don't mind putting my music on this channel, because the belly videos and the armpit videos in my music, it's all me. But the meditation and motivation and inspirational stuff is another side of me, a deeper spiritual side of me that needs to be on a different channel, even though it's still a part of me. That's why I still connected it to this page, because it's a part of me. I'm not trying to hide that I'm Porshia Vonne. I'm not trying to hide that I love bellies and stuff that not everyone finds amusing or appealing. And if I take anything from this video that I'm making right here, it's that I need to continue to always be 100% me. Even if others don't like it, if I feel that I need to change, then I need to evolve. But I shouldn't hide who I am. I never will. I have nothing to hide. And if there's something that I want to hide, maybe I need to change that part of myself. When I think about being successful, doing what I love, I don't just think about myself. I think about helping others as well. Even if it's just entertaining, I can help you by encouraging you to do whatever it is you want in life. But I can also entertain you. If that's what you came here for, is to be entertained, I want to fulfill that duty. It brings me great joy to make people happy. It really does. That's why I like making belly videos, because it makes you guys laugh. It makes you smile. It makes you feel good. I like that. So if someone decides that what I do is not for them, it's okay. Everything isn't for everybody. But who it's for. And it's for you. So I'm gonna continue to do what I do and continue to be happy. And try not to let the world get me down, and keep my head up and strive for the things I want in life. We should all do the same. It's time to go to the store. Hey, babe.
Hey, so what are you doing?
Sitting in front of the camera. You ready to go?
Yeah, I was asking if we're gonna ride together or.
You asked me if I wanted to go together. I don't think anyone's ever asked me that before, so I drew a box and I said check yes or no, and I checked yes. I said I would love to be your girlfriend.
That wasn't what I was talking about.
I know.
That's cute.
Thank you. It would have been cuter if you saw it.
Yeah, it's still cute.
Thanks. All right, let me know when you're here so I can come out.
You want me to drive up or you?
Yeah, you can drive up.
All
right. About to go get some food, because y'all know I likes to eat.